Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, September 18. At least one manufacturer has thrown his support behind the state's move to ban the importation, production, usage and distribution of single-use plastic carrier bags and straws and styrofoam. The ban was announced during a press conference Monday and takes effect on January 1, 2019. Wasinco Group Limited's Francois Chalifour has welcomed the move, saying his firm will increase investments in recycling initiatives. Mr. Chalifour has also expressed enthusiasm about government's plan to introduce a national deposit refund scheme for PET bottles. That scheme, which is to come on stream by November, aims to collect 80% of the island's PET bottles over 5 years.
We applaud the government for going forward with these initiatives. We will support them and let them know what's working, what's not working, and work closely together to ensure that it does work so that we have a cleaner, healthier Jamaica moving forward.
Though the ban on single-use plastics and styrofoam takes effect on January 1, 2019, manufacturers have until January 1, 2021 to apply to NEPA for limited exemptions on the manufacture and import of polyethylene bags. The local manufacture and distribution of polystyrene foam used as finished goods in the food and beverage industry will also be banned as of January 1, 2021. So too will the importation of straws attached to lunch boxes and drink pouches. While the ban is imposed, the state, through the Exim Bank and the Development Bank of Jamaica, will help manufacturers retool and streamline their businesses. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is supporting the move by regional tourism leaders towards embracing disaster resilience management. Mr. Holness says building resilience in the tourism sector is crucial to sustainable development.
We must embrace the opportunity to show leadership in coherent policies so that we can overcome constraints and seize opportunities.
The Prime Minister was speaking at the Global Tourism Resilience Summit of the Americas recently. He voiced support for the establishment of a Global Resilience and Crisis Management Center to be housed at the UWI, saying the facility would coordinate robust decision-making and strategic implementation. The center is designed to help vulnerable states recover quickly from natural disasters. And still on the tourism sector, government is looking to improve golf courses across the island to bolster offerings and earnings for the local economy. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett made the announcement while addressing stakeholders at the 16th Annual Travel Agents Golf Tournament Awards in Ocho Rios on Saturday. He said the Tourism Ministry would be partnering with the Jamaica Golf Association to identify golf courses that require improvement. In addition, Minister Bartlett said he was engaging foreign investors to upgrade courses and establish more playing grounds.
We have to look at improving significantly these courses and to enable us to bring that demographic, more of that demographic, into our destination.
The Tourism Minister says going forward, a sizable amount of funds will be spent to develop the country as a golf tourism destination. In other news, 100 facility and property managers in the public sector are being trained in energy auditing. The training is being facilitated by the University of Technology UTech through a Memorandum of Understanding signed with the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica PCJ recently. The agreement will develop critical technical skills among the workers to support lower energy consumption within the public sector. The training will also support sustainable energy efficiency projects at government buildings under the Energy Efficiency and Conservation Program.
I note that technical areas to be covered include understanding the value and principles of energy management, conducting walk-through energy audits, performing energy planning, and preparing energy management reports.
Through this partnership between PCJ and UTech, Jamaica will possess more knowledge and technical skills needed to guide the efficient use of energy within organizations.
Upon completion of the training, the participants are expected to act as energy monitors, influence behavior change in the workplace, promote the procurement of energy-efficient equipment and appliances, and foster more proactive approaches to energy management and conservation. 2 members of the Judiciary have been appointed to serve at higher levels within Jamaica's courts. With effect from September 17, Pamela Mason will serve as Master in Chambers in the Supreme Court, while Justice Leighton Pusey will take up his post to act as Judge of the Court of Appeal with effect from September 24. They were sworn in by Governor General Sir Patrick Allen during a ceremony at King's House on Monday. While congratulating the new appointees, the Governor-General encouraged them to carry out their duties with integrity and without interference.
As each one stands before you and each case is presented to you, you now exercise your discretion for timeliness, for fairness, for objectivity, and for everything else that applies to the judiciary.
And finally, the Northeast Regional Health Authority, NERA, continued its enhanced vector control program in Douglas Castle, St. Anne today. This follows Sunday's intervention by the vector control team, which identified and destroyed mosquito breeding sites. The team also oiled stagnant water and carried out thermal fogging of the area. Activities are part of NERA's ongoing interventions since July 16 to reduce the impact of increased mosquito breeding sites in high-risk St. Anne communities during the rainy season. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thank you for watching.